What's up? What's happening? What is going on? Cantalupo. Sure, baseball is losing ratings and fans every year, but it is not dead. It's still America's pastime, and anytime something really big happens, the internet goes crazy. I'm Mike Cantalupo, and today we present 10 MLB plays that broke the internet. Cespedes is canon. Cespedes. That's fun. Angels, A's, 2014 game. He boots a ball in left field. He quickly recovers and makes the throw of his life.
And he rips that one down the left field line. Cespedes on the move. He's not going to get it. And it rolls off the side wall, and they're going to wave home Kendrick. The throw to the plate is there.
Oh, my
and
goodness.
They got him. Are you kidding me?
Wow. Ready to throw and then realize I've got to throw. And you talk about a throw. They're going to look at the play. And quick throw, and if he doesn't drop the ball, it's going to be second and third, but it's...
Twitter went nuts because Cespedes is for the rest of us. Chris Coghlan super dive. Blue Jays Cardinals 2017 game. Chris Coghlan, not exactly a household name, but that kind of all changed on this play right here.
Lar hits it high and deep to right. Piscotty back on the track at the wall. It's over his glove off the wall. Coghlan is headed for third. They're going to wave him home. Here's the throw from Piscotty to home plate. And Molina can tag him. What a play by...
Beautiful dive over future Hall of Famer Yadier Molina, and Twitter erupted like this. And this. And this tweet. And this tweet. Good fun. Austin Jackson's home run robbery. I'd like to report a robbery. All right, I'll stop. Indians, Redskins, Red Sox. Hanley Ramirez smokes the ball center field. Beautiful catch.
There's a long fly ball, deep center field. Jackson's back. He leaps. He made an unbelievable catch. He flipped into the bullpen. Did he hang on? Austin Jackson can still go get him with the best.
In this ballpark, at that angle, he makes the catch and tumbles into their bullpen. My goodness. Look at Geyer's going to chase him to see he caught it. And he had it clearly and flips over.
Internet goes crazy. The world goes crazy. Everybody goes crazy. Craziness. Saying Redskins instead of Red Sox really threw me off on that one. Astros Athletics strange walk-off. The A's and Astros met in a 2018 game, and Alex Bregman was up to bat, and he hits a slow little tapper in front of home plate. Now, it was Jonathan Lucroy who couldn't make the tag, and then he botched the throw to first. What a weird ending, and he's on my fantasy team.
Tapper near the plate, and everybody's in play. They both advance. The throw's away!
No,
the Astros are going to win it! The Astros are going to win! Unbelievable! A ball that went about 5 feet in front of home plate. Alex Bregman has 2 of those this year. That one was shorter than the one previous.
Yeah, Twitter was not too happy. Rougned Odor punches Jose Bautista. Rangers, Blue Jays, 2016. This was one of the last things that actually just went crazy no matter what. Jose Bautista slid into Odor at second base. Odor punched him in the face, and a cool brawl ensued.
Beltre ducked off a top hop, and the throw is wide down the line, and there we got a fight at second. Bautista picked on the wrong guy as Odor came right at him, and we got the benches empty in that. There's some pent-up emotion going on out of Globe Life Park. Or dropping down. Rougned said, nope. Whoa!
I think Bautista got all he could handle with that.
Odor's now 2 for 5 today.
Wow. That's some pretty solid contact right there.
Everybody went crazy because when there's fighting involved in baseball, then it becomes the coolest sport to watch. When the bench is clear, Twitter reacts. Ken Giles punches himself. 2018 again, Astros, Yankees. Astros closer Ken Giles gave up 3 runs on a 3-run homer in the 9th to Gary Sanchez. He was pulled from the game, and he punched himself.
Not only did the Yankees hit Ken Giles hard, check this out, Ken Giles hits Ken Giles hard. He just punched himself in the face. Wow.
Obviously, this is the type of material that Twitter would be going crazy for, like here, and here, and here. Rajai Davis's Game 7 home run. Cubs, Indians 2016 World Series Game 7. The Cubs jumped out to a 5-1 lead. Then they took a 6-3 lead in the bottom of the 8th, but leave it to Rajai Davis of the Indians for a game-tying home run. Amazing.
Drive into left. At the wall. It's gone. Tie game. Rajai Davis. 6-6.
This was one of the greatest games in baseball history, and of course, everybody on the internet was watching and tweeting while it was all going down. Anthony Rendon's casual strikeout. Terrible call by Marty Foster, but he was casually thrown out of the game, and everybody really flipped out on Foster for this one. Bartolo the GOAT's home run, May 7th, 2016, the day that changed baseball forever. Bartolo Colon, home run. What else do I need to say?
Colon looking for his first hit of the year. He drives one, deep left field. Back goes Upton, back near the wall. It's out of here! Bartolo has done it! The impossible has happened! The team vacates the dugout as Bartolo takes the long trot, his first career home run. And there will be nobody in the dugout to greet him. This is one of the great moments in the history of baseball.
Age 42 and like 340 days, oldest player to ever hit his first home run, and Twitter loved every second of it because it's Bartolo. Joey Bats, bat flip, Blue Jays, Rangers Game 5, 2015 ALDS. The game was tied in the bottom of the 7th when Jose Bautista homered. But the thing about the homer was what happened directly after the hit, which was the bat flip.
The 1-1 from Tyson. Bautista with a drive. Deep left field. No doubt about it.
You can only flirt with fire for so long. And it's going to burn you. No doubt about it.
That sent Twitter ablaze. What other MLB plays broke the internet? I should have put Terry Collins in here, but I just mentioned him in another video. That whole mic'd up moment was really cool, but it was kind of on Facebook. Facebook is for old people like me. Until next time, I'm Mike Cantalupo. Hey, thanks for coming around. See you next time.